Pneumatic perfume bottle crimping machine. This machine is widely used in perfume industry to crimp perfume bottles. Here the manual operation of the lever is replaced by a pneumatic cylinder. The machine is supplied with an air regulator and a pedal operating pneumatic switch. There is no electricity required in this machine. The machine is very easy to operate. We will show you how to operate this machine. When the bottle with the pump is inserted into the collet, the pedal switch has to be pressed once. The crimping is done. A perfect crimping of the bottle can be done with this machine. The machine is small in size and can be transported to anywhere all over the world. The height of crimping head can be adjusted according to the bottle height. The bottle resting platform is spring loaded so that there are no chances for leakage after crimping is a result. The collet can be changed and refit very easily. Also, any sizes of collets are available with us.